This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 9th of March. Periods of rain across Alabama today, some thunder, even some small hail in spots. Temperatures much cooler for the northern half of the state, but we'll get the rain out of here for one day Saturday before rain comes back Sunday. Maybe some strong storms Sunday. So, as always, it is an interesting time of the year to talk weather. This is the upper air look across the country. This is where the pressure is 500 millibars. And that is about 18,000 feet off the ground. And again, we've got a zonal flow, a little disturbance producing a lot of clouds around today and some rain for the state. That's the visible satellite view. A little sunshine for southwest Alabama. If you're in places like Mobile and Gulf Shores, Foley, Fairhope, you've seen some sun today. Here's the radar. That was the composite about 2:30, and you can see rain and some strong storms across the central counties. And again, we've had some reports of small pea-sized hail within those storms. But the southern half of the state is relatively dry. Pretty cool day for North Alabama. Birmingham 52 at 2:30. Just a couple of days ago we had 82. That's a big drop. But if you like the mild weather, head south. Mobile 78, Dothan 72, Montgomery at 73. So a huge thermal contrast around the state again today. There's the watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin. Winter weather advisory stretching from the Dakotas over into parts of New York and Pennsylvania, and a number of winter storm warnings in the northwest United States. This is the severe weather outlook through tonight. We have a marginal risk for parts of Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. And interestingly enough, SPC maintains this level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk over parts of west and south Alabama. And if anything can get going there, it would be related to small hail. And there's obviously a boundary in that zone, a warm front, if you will, separating the low 50s to the north from the 70s down to the south. But again, if anything happens, it would be small hail. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of South Georgia, North Florida, extending into extreme southeast Alabama, around Dothan and Geneva and Ozark. And again, the same thing, maybe some storms with small hail and gusty winds. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a risk of severe storms west of the state, including parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, into the Mississippi Delta. And then on day 4, which is Sunday, we have a risk of severe storms over South Mississippi, northeast Louisiana, southeast Arkansas. They'll probably expand that into parts of south or southwest Alabama for Sunday, as the air will be unstable there. Remains to be seen if the instability can reach up into the northern part of the state. We'll take a look at the new modeling on this in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts around 2 inches for the northern two-thirds of the state, under 1 inch for the south. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a short wave north and east of the state, and that'll be helping to push a cold front through. And the rain should be over for North Alabama by late morning. And the sky should begin to clear tomorrow afternoon for the northern part of the state, but South Alabama will likely see showers much of the day, highs mostly in the 60s. Saturday, a dry day as the weekend begins. Now, Saturday morning's going to be pretty chilly. We'll be in the 30s to start the day for the northern half of the state. The high will be in the 60s. But don't get used to the dry weather because the rain is right back on Sunday. Rain and thunderstorms likely with the next front. And again, this is the latest instability look from the GFS, suggesting the instability will be confined to areas near and south of Interstate 59. And the better values over the southern part of the state. So again, there certainly could be some strong storms Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, mainly for South Alabama. And then Monday, we're back in a drier air mass and a cooler air mass, highs 50s and 60s. The sky will be mostly sunny. And Tuesday, even colder air drops in here. Highs dropping into the 50s for the northern half of the state with a pretty good north breeze. And Tuesday morning, we'll be close to freezing. These are the anomalies, temperature anomalies on Tuesday of next week. And you can see we're well below average. And then Wednesday, it'll be the perfect setup for radiational cooling Wednesday morning. We'll probably start the day in the 25 to 35 degree range. Many spots will likely see a late season freeze. The sky will be sunny, highs in the 60s. And a week from today, this is Thursday the 16th. Zonal flow and the air mass stays dry. We'll probably have a round of rain and storms just beyond this toward the end of next week, maybe late Friday or Friday night, about 8 days from now. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 19th, troughing over the east. And, another very chilly air mass dropping in here if this verifies. Thickness values are coming way down the 540 line down to Mobile. And that will be another late season freeze. And this is even suggesting a chance of snow flurries down into parts of middle and eastern Tennessee in 10 days. So again, understand if you need to plant something that would be harmed by a freeze, we always advise to wait until April 15th. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is the green line, about 3 inches on this run between now and the 25th of March. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, and this is for Birmingham. Your number will be different, but you can see that colder air next week. Look at those bottom numbers. The NBM with 33 for Birmingham Tuesday morning and 32 Wednesday morning. And many spots will be colder than that over the northern half of the state. And we'll probably see some frost down into South Alabama Wednesday morning of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for the 17th through the 23rd of March. Much of the lower 48 in the blue, including Alabama. Temperatures, of course, below average. Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam. Whoa, what a crowd today. Whoa, boy. Had the whole school in there. Leeds Primary School, home of the Green Wave. Oh, boy, those kids were fun. And, this cake, this is unbelievable. I mean, look at this. Inside the cake there, you got me on a big screen TV and some guy in a helmet in his safe place watching our tornado coverage. I mean, that thing is just amazing. You got the state bird, the trampoline up in that tornado. So, wow, that was awfully impressive. But, goodness, we had a great time today. Had the pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, the whole student body in there. And everybody was just so kind. And that was just great fun, right? I was energized after that deal. So again, to everybody at Leeds Primary School, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. So that's it for the afternoon briefing. We'll have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. Tomorrow, headed to Tuscaloosa, got Rock Quarry Elementary and then Flatwoods Elementary. And don't forget, Saturday, a book signing in Cleburne County. If you're in East Alabama, West Georgia, come see us. We'll be there from 9:30 until 12:30 at the Shoal Creek Market and Grill in Edwardsville on US 78, just east of Heflin. And remember, they have the what? Best gas station food ever. I can't wait. We'll have all the T-shirts and everything else. It'll be great fun. We take a lot of pictures and have just a ton of fun at those things. So come see us in Cleburne County Saturday at the Shoal Creek Market and Grill, US 78 between 9:30 and 12:30. We'll have notes on the blog again. Don't forget to watch us over in Studio A. Across the hall, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.